Hello everyone, it's Robert with Lewis Motor Company. You can find us at lewistrucks.com. We've got Brady on the sticks today. He was really excited to drive this little adorable 3-cylinder John Deere 17 ZTX mini excavator. This thing is just adorable in size. Brady is about 7 foot tall and he fits in there just right. He's going to do a quick operation video. The machine starts right up, as you can hear now, and it's very quiet. Again, it's a 3-cylinder Isuzu diesel. We don't notice any leaks, any smoke, anything abnormal with the machine. It seems to do everything it's supposed to do correctly. Got LED lights, it's got 4 LED lights. Machine comes just as you see it here. Comes with a 3-tooth bucket. This is a great little mini excavator. You can tow this thing with an F-150. You don't need a big heavy truck to tow this little guy. It's got good power too. Lifts itself right off. See, both tracks are in decent shape. The condition of the machine overall is presentable. It does have some nicks and dings and some surface rust in some areas, as you can see on the cab here, bottom part of the cab, and on the boom, a couple of nicks and dings, but overall the machine does what you want it to do, and it does it in style too. It's an open cab machine, and it does have a UV protector on the top, aka you don't get wet when you're operating this machine, and you don't have to worry about your operator or yourself breaking the glass of the machine. So if you're anything like Brady, you're not going to break it, but if you have a little less skill than he does, I'd be breaking glass all the time. Anyways, we like this little guy. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. Quick connects here. We'll just do a quick close-up of the machine. And we have not painted anything on this machine. This is original condition. It's not pretty by any means, but it is a good little working machine. I think it's adorable, but again, the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. That little Isuzu 3-cylinder is just purring right along. Very, very quiet. It does have your VIN plate intact right there. Take a look inside the cab. It's got all the bells and whistles. Obviously I'm joking, it has nothing, but that's the way you want a work machine like this. That way nothing breaks. It's just very basic. And you can switch patterns, excavator and backhoe pattern, that's pretty neat. The machine has 1,546.3 hours at the time of this listing. Go ahead and pop the bonnet. It's all there. Again, you can find us at lewistrucks.com. We're Lewis Motor Company. We're in Clarksville, Maryland. Be happy to answer any questions you might have on this machine or anything else you see in the background here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to helping in any way we can. Thank you very much.